Hello everyone, this is Stefan and you're watching SYG Tech. Welcome back for another video. I'm very excited for today's video for a couple of reasons. We have the iPhone 6s and we have the iPhone SE first generation, and we'll talk about the iOS 15 which is coming today or tomorrow, depends when do you watch today's video. So very excited because this is the two iconic iPhones in my opinion, and I know many people still using these iPhones in 2021, and I'm pretty sure people will still use these iPhones even after 2 years. And the reason for that is iOS 15 is coming, and you should be excited because first, this is the oldest iPhones that you can buy right now, and they run the latest version of the iOS 14.8. Let me show you quickly. You'll be surprised because I don't know, I'm excited because the older iPhones running the latest version of the iOS, and I think this is interesting for many reasons. So as you can see here, iOS 14.8, this is extremely well in my opinion, and I just want to say this is incredible in my opinion because these phones are nearly 5 years old, and as you can see here we have the same on the iPhone SE first generation 14.8, and the reason for that is we know Apple is doing an amazing job to optimize the older iPhones such as 6s and SE 2015 and 2016 phones. This is incredible in my opinion, and that's why you should be excited for iOS 15. So be first to subscribe and turn your bell notifications to see when the iOS 15 I'm gonna make a video obviously because I'm excited. So make sure to subscribe if you like this type of interesting topic, iPhone videos and iOS related. But yeah, this is amazing because these phones, like I mentioned, they are old. They have been released in 2015 and 2016, and if you like smaller compact iPhone, for example, iPhone SE is great choice for you. This is a 4-inch display and still is great one hand iPhone in my opinion. Many people love this iPhone in today's days because we know the compact design, and we know that many people like this design. It's iconic classic design. But if you like for example a little bit bigger screen, this is the 6s with a 4.7 inch. I think this is more preferred screen in my opinion for many users, and compact design and all the cases works pretty good on a 6s, 7, 8 and so on. But yeah, I'm excited, very excited because the older iPhones runs the latest version of the iOS. You should be excited again because this is a big thing in my opinion, and I know that many people buying these iPhones even right now. I know Apple, they stopped selling these iPhones new couple of years ago, but you still can buy these iPhones basically everywhere in any shop, any websites, you name it, Facebook Marketplace and so on. But yeah, this was just quick video guys, just to remind you about the iOS 15 which is coming on older devices such as 6s. So if you're watching this video maybe today or tomorrow, maybe after a couple of days, maybe a week, check for software updates, and yeah, you'll be surprised. So the iOS 15 is gonna be amazing. I hope um, brings new features on all the iPhones. So again, make sure to subscribe and turn your bell notifications to be first. And yeah, I'm excited, very excited. I know I said it 10,000 times, but yeah, you should be excited as well. So iOS 15 comes on a so supported devices will be 6s, SE, 7, 8, and so on. But yeah, this is the oldest of the bunch. So yeah, interesting, very interesting. So again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.